Hey everyone, today we are building a RAG chat agent that can answer questions about any video by ingesting its transcript into Supabase. You'll learn how to turn spoken video content into searchable knowledge, store it with vector embeddings, and then chat with it using Retrieval-Augmented Generation. Let's start with the basics. RAG stands for Retrieval-Augmented Generation. Instead of relying only on what an LLM already knows, we first retrieve the most relevant pieces from our own data, then feed them to the model so it generates accurate answers. This is perfect when your knowledge lives inside videos, meetings, lectures, product demos, or entire YouTube channels. Videos contain a lot of valuable information, but searching through them manually is slow. Transcripts solve that problem. We'll use Supabase because it gives us PostgreSQL with the PG vector extension, easy APIs, and a single place for both metadata and vector search. Here's the high-level architecture of the system. Approving smile of satisfaction. First, we get the video transcript, either existing captions or speech to text. Then we split it into meaningful chunks. Next, we generate embeddings for each chunk and store them in a Supabase table that uses PG vector. When a user asks a question, we embed the question, find the most similar chunks, pass those chunks to an LLM, and return a grounded answer. That's the entire RAG loop. Now let's look at the ingestion pipeline in more detail. Start by obtaining the transcript. You can pull YouTube captions or use Whisper, Gemini, or any speech-to-text service. Then clean and chunk the text. Aim for chunks of roughly 300 to 800 tokens with some overlap so context isn't lost. Keep the start and end timestamps if possible. This lets you later deep link back to the exact moment in the video. Generate embeddings using a model like OpenAI's Text Embedding 3 Small or any similar embedding model. Finally, insert everything into Supabase. You'll typically have one table for video metadata and another for the chunks with their embeddings. Enable the vector extension and create an index on the embedding column for fast similarity search. Now for the chat agent side. When a user sends a message, first convert their question into an embedding. Run a similarity search against the chunks table and retrieve the top K most relevant pieces of transcript. Build a prompt that includes those retrieved chunks as context plus the user's question, then send it to your LLM. The model generates an answer grounded in the actual video content. You can also return citations and timestamps. You can wrap this logic in a simple API route, or use frameworks like LangChain, or even a visual workflow in A10. This approach gives you answers that are grounded in real video content and can scale to hundreds or thousands of videos. A few pro tips. Keep timestamps so users can jump to the exact moment, and consider hybrid search for even better results. That's the complete blueprint for a RAG chat agent powered by video transcripts stored in Supabase. Thanks for watching. Now go build something awesome.